wanted to get Martin's thoughts on how Federated Hermes fund managers engage with management and how management teams are responding to that engagement. We talked about the growing interest in ESG from investors. Can you tell us what you're seeing on the other side of that from fund managers at Federated Hermes or from company management teams themselves? Has everyone at your company embraced the ESG approach? Are management teams interested in it?
Yeah, I think when you think about ESG over the course of just the past 5 years, it's really taken off and it's in people's mindset now, from a corporate perspective, but also from an investment perspective. So everyone is starting to get up the learning curve. They're educating themselves on what is relevant, what is financially material. They're building out their own frameworks. They're building out new and exciting tools in order to be able to manage an entire portfolio and better understand exactly what it looks like holistically, but then from a bottom-up perspective to analyze any one of the companies that you're investing in. And I think it's very worth noting that this is something that is important for any company, the parent, the issuer, irrespective of any one of the security types that people are investing in. It's not just for equity, it's not just for bondholders, it's for all different asset classes. Because at the end of the day, what you're looking for is a responsible portfolio. You want to be able to manage the risks prudently, and you want to be able to have sound stewardship. And that goes for any region and any market.
As a professor, Martin has spent a lot of time educating students as well as investors on issues in the ESG world. He provided us a fairly comprehensive take on where the ESG world is going in terms of investors, companies themselves, and the regulators that make the laws around this type of investing. One of the reasons we were really excited to have you in today to talk to our clients is that you are both a practitioner and an educator. You teach a course on ESG at the University of Rochester. Can you tell us a little bit about that course and how you're preparing business students to enter the world of ESG, whether it be on the investment side of things, on the corporate side, or even on the regulatory front?
Huge demand. You can imagine all the different younger generations, people that are in undergrad, they're in grad school right now. They're thinking about how they can apply sustainability into the public sector, into the private sector, into any one of those different career paths that they're exploring. So it's really important to prepare these future responsible investors, but also future responsible business leaders. And we try to do that by building a curriculum that brings sustainability, marries it with finance for practical application.
It's been great to hear from you on the topic of ESG, Martin. Thanks for coming in today, and we hope to speak with you again soon. Once again, I'm Jim Sinegal with Fregasso Financial Advisors.